Hey guys, it's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. For my video this week, I thought I would do my Boxy charm unboxing and like testing out all the products video. I've done one of these in the past and I really enjoy watching them and like testing out the products. But if you don't like that, that's fine. I don't have anything else to say. This is my mirror in the corner. I'm really sorry. I'm trying to get it out of frame. Welcome to my new setup, and let's get into the video. So this is the box, this is the card that it comes with, and this is the box. The card says Rock 2018 on it, which I think is really cute. I'm stoked for 2018, so. And then it also has this little Rock 2018 card that talks about the first product, which is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I got my exfoliator from Dr. Brandt in the box, so I really like that, so I have high hopes for this. And it says the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Luminizer Primer retails for $38 and it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. I like all the words in that. Oh, it's got a strange scent to it. So I kind of thought it would be a little more hydrating. I don't know why, it doesn't say anywhere that it's going to be hydrating, but when I hear luminizing, I just think of it, I think they go together. I don't hate it. It gives like a nice glow. Next on the thing is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It retails for $24 and it says Universal, which it's in the shade Universal Taupe. It says that it adjusts to your brow color. It's got like a oval, it's not like the diamond shaped or a pencil shape. It's like it's like an oval. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell what it looks like, but it's like a little oval. I normally like pencils that have more of a point, like a precise pencil. I don't hate the diamond shaped ones or teardrop shaped ones, but they're not my favorite. Okay, so this, I don't mind. I just put it back in the box. I have no idea why. The color, I don't mind. The formula is really good. I just don't like the shape of the pencil. Maybe I'm just not used to using like an oval shaped tip, but I like more precise tips. Next, this is the biggest thing. This is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. It retails for $25 and it says rock your look with these Crown Pro Glam Metal eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented ultra blendable shadows make smoky look a breeze. I'm going out to dinner with my friends. I don't really want a smoky look, but we'll figure this out. Oh no. Oh no, mine came shattered. My middle shade came shattered. Which sucks because that's honestly the one I would like to use. So I don't think you can get like a full look out of this. There's no like transition shades or outer corner shades or anything like that. So I'm gonna grab my Jack & Hill palette for transition shades and stuff like that. Okay, so I just used two transition shades from the Jack & Hill palette. I believe it's Silk Creme and Butter, but I'm not sure about that second one. I think from the Metals palette, I'm going to use the shade Wild Things. It's this top one. It's kind of like a rose gold, like red color on a Morphe M124 brush. Oh, it's a little darker than I expected. I'm going to wet it. Just wetting it with a little bit of the Morphe setting spray. I almost said powder. Okay, so I don't hate it. I think it's a really pretty color. I kind of hate the look I picked, but whatever. And I know it looks a little weird without face product on, but so far so good. I do like this palette. It's definitely not gonna be a favorite palette. I don't know if you can see, but it's, oh no, it just spilled. Yeah. I just spilled gold eyeshadow all over my freaking white chair. That'll be fun to clean up. Like I was saying, I don't think it's going to be a palette I'm going to reach for a lot, just because you can't do a full look with this palette. There's no transition shades, there's no like highlighting shades, there's nothing to build up your outer corner. It's really just a metals palette, and I just don't reach for those very often. Now I'm just going to go ahead off camera and do my face and finish my lower lash line. I will be back. Okay, so I just put on some foundation, concealer, a little bit of powder, and then just finished up my lower lash line and put a little bit of mascara on. The next product is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. It retails from Pure Cosmetics. It retails for $34. It says an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorite Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blush and Glow. Throw it in your bag and you're ready to go. I'm not much of a blush person. Let's see. Ooh, I like the mirror. Just gonna swatch them all. Okay. Ow. Oh, so I just swatched those on my hand. The highlighter, highlighter, bronzer, and blush on the back of my hand. The bronzer looks really not for my skin tone. We're gonna try it. I've been using this M462 brush for bronzer, so I'm just gonna pick up a little bit. I'm scared. Okay, so I went in with a really light hand because I was afraid of the shade, and somehow I still like definitely used too much on this side. Oh my god, on camera it looks so much worse. On camera it looks, I'm blind, but right now on camera it looks like there's like a line of darkness on my face, but I swear it doesn't look that bad in real life. I'm gonna take this brush that has nothing on it. I just clean it and just like try and get this to be a little less intense. Let's hope for the best for the other two and that I don't get a little intense. I'm gonna take just a teeny tiny bit of this blush shade. I hate blush, so. Okay, you're probably not gonna be able to tell that I even put any on, but I did. Now, lastly, I'm gonna try this highlighting shade. It looks a little too yellow gold for my skin tone, but okay, I like the highlighter the best, absolutely. I swear it doesn't look that bad in real life. That is a really pretty highlighter. I love the whole palette solely for that highlighter. Lastly, we have a matte lip paint from Galactic. It retails for $23 and is one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. I have a lip balm on. I have chapstick on, so I'm just gonna take that off. It's in the shade Posh. I'm gonna throw that on, see how that looks. Okay, I love this. So I actually really like this. I think it's definitely lightweight. I like the color that I got. Posh is what it was called. It has a little bit of transfer right in the center, but I don't think it's completely dry. So it looks like it's kiss proof, and yeah, I actually really like it. Alright, so that is it for my January BoxyCharm. That is it for this week's video, or this Tuesday video, I think is when it's going up. It better, because it's Tuesday and I don't have the video up. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you get BoxyCharm, tell me what your favorite product this month was. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Tuesdays and Fridays. Hoping for that to work. Anyways, that is going to be it. I will see you guys on Friday.